Hello once again, Internet. It's me, Carmen, coming right back at you. I've been gone, guys. I have to admit it. I've been slacking. I haven't made a video in about a week and a half. I've missed my deadlines, and I just gotta say to all of you, I'm sorry. But I've just been doing some soul searching. I've been on a little hiatus from making videos. I'm glad to be back, though. I've been working on growing out my beard and my hair in the meantime. If you like my longer hair, be sure to leave a thumbs up. I can't really spike it up anymore since I just have too much hair to spike up and my hair doesn't flow like that. Well, I could try to spike it up, but I just thought it looked weird, so I just kept it like this. It's all fluffy and wavy. Sort of. I'm probably gonna get a haircut soon. So anyways, let's get into the heart of the topic I want to discuss today. Same-sex marriage is now the law of the land in a Supreme Court ruling. Same-sex marriage is now legal in all 50 states, and they have decided that same-sex marriage is a right of the people. And if you're a same-sex couple, whether lesbian, gay, bisexual, or whatnot, you are now allowed to be married under federal jurisdiction. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about this anymore. But wait, there's still always going to be roadblocks in the path to victory. Several counties have pretty much tried to block the move of allowing same-sex marriages. And I'm going to point out one specific case, but there's more than one case of this across the U.S. This is just one case that's been really in the news over the last couple of days. In Rowan County, Kentucky, two gay men who are happily with each other, who wanted to go in there and try to attempt to get a marriage license, were denied. Apparently, the county stopped issuing just marriage licenses because the county clerk decided she could not do that because she didn't feel comfortable performing same-sex marriages. It was against her beliefs. And I think this is a tough thing to pinpoint. Now, a lot of you are going to think I'm crazy for what I'm saying. I understand where she's coming from. I don't agree with her. I want to say that. I don't agree with her, but I understand where she's coming from. She's a person who is obviously believes this probably very close to them, that just the fundamental idea of same-sex relationships and marriages is wrong. Whether we agree with that or not, that's what she believes. And obviously something that's very fundamental to you, you're going to have a hard time supporting it and being like, yeah, I'm cool with this. And look, I know a lot of people are quick to attack her. We shouldn't be attacking her. Whether what she's doing is right or not, whether the way she is approaching it is right or not, that doesn't make us any better than her if we just go and attack her, even if we're frustrated by this. Now, I will say I'm straight myself. I'm not gay. I'm not lesbian. I'm not bisexual. I'm straight, and I feel like I'm a very proud supporter of LGBT rights, and I think that LGBT people deserve certain rights, such as the right to marry who you love, no matter what their gender is. That's just a fundamental right everyone deserves. Now, getting back to the county clerk, I think this is something that while the popular opinion is changing, there are still people that out there are set in their ways who have just been around this for so long. They believe it fundamentally to their own personality. And so for some people, it takes a lot to change. And I think that people who are gay or lesbian or bisexual who come out to their families that may not be so supportive of that sort of thing are very brave. And I think that's partly why public opinion has shifted, but obviously there are some people who, for whatever reason, don't know someone who's gay or lesbian or bisexual, or is just not very accepting of it, even if they know someone who is, because it's just something that they've known for so long that it's very close to them. And while we don't have to agree with this, we should understand that. And I think we're going to have a few more humps in the road before LGBT people get all of the rights they deserve. I think this is a huge step in the right direction in one of the largest countries on earth, the United States, to say, yes, we support same-sex marriage. And I think this court ruling is definitely going to have a lot of critics. But at the same time, we just have to keep going out there. Now, the ACLU has filed a lawsuit in Rowan County against the county clerk on behalf of two same-sex couples and two straight couples, pretty much saying this is infringing. You can't just stop marriages because of your religious beliefs. You have to follow through with the law. And I'm curious to see how this turns out. And I think the couples have every right to file a lawsuit because they were denied access to their basic rights. It's not fair. It's just like discrimination against people of minority groups. It's not right. It never was right. And It's a good thing that popular opinion is changing, but obviously we still have a ways to go. So I'm curious to hear what you guys think in the comments below. What do you think about the same-sex marriage ruling? And what do you think about this specific case in Rowan County, Kentucky? I'll include a link in the description. There's a video where two gentlemen, same-sex couple, attempted to get a marriage license in Rowan County, and they were rejected. I'll put that video, and I'll put some articles, some more reading information about this. I hope all of you are having a good day, and I hope to make more videos coming right back at your wonderful faces soon, guys. I'm so happy to be back, though. Peace out.